Hey, what's up everyone? This is the video for this 100 ounce filler number 6. Look for top spot, advances to the main. We are live. 237, 237. Got the list here, 10 entries, Bruno on the top, Fred on the bottom. You need 2 dice, 5 or higher. 8 times 237. Good luck everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 times we got Fred on the top. Good luck at 237. 237. Last and final roll. Look for top spot. Congratulations goes to spot 4, Pete. Congratulations, Pete. Go ahead and pick your spot in the main. Oh my goodness, what is going on here? Yeah, what in the world? Yeah. We are done. 238. 238. Congratulations again, Pete. For everyone else, thanks for playing. Take care.